One day, one young boy tell him papa say, "Abeg papa, give me my own share of your property." The papa no argue. He share the property wella. The boy carry him money waka go far from house. As the boy reach far place, he begin chop life anyhow, waste everything, party every day, drink anyhow. Before you know, money don finish, friends run comot, sapa enter body, wahala don set. The boy suffer sotey him con dey feed pigs, he con dey chop leftover. He con reason say, abi make him go back to him papa house, because even him papa workers dey chop better food pass am. I go better go back house o. I go beg my papa, if he too do, I fit con dey work like servant. As the boy reach him papa house, the papa see am from far. Papa no vex. He run go hug am well well, kiss am, forgive am. Papa shout, "My pikin wey don lost don come back o. Go bring better clothes, wear ring for him hand, kill fat cow, make we do party." Everybody for village gather, dem clap hand, dem jolly. Papa say, "My pikin don lost before, but now him don come back. We must celebrate." Na so dem begin chop, dance, and happy together. Adulthood no be anybody mate o, una do.